If you're thinking about kissing someone, it's important to make sure they feel the same way. Start by flirting and noticing if they respond positively, or simply ask if it's okay to kiss them. When you're ready, move in closer and gently tilt your head to avoid bumping noses. Close your eyes, part your lips slightly, and let your lips meet naturally. Be gentle and don't apply too much pressure at first. If everything feels right, softly capture their lower lip between yours so that your lips align comfortably. Gently brush your tongue across their lower lip to gauge their interest. If they seem receptive, slowly explore with your tongue, but take your time. There's no need to rush. Remember to breathe through your nose while kissing to avoid losing your breath. Kissing may feel a bit awkward at first, but it gets smoother with time and practice. If you know a kiss might happen, consider using lip balm and having a mint to keep your lips soft and your breath fresh.